Tired of spending hours manually posting on Instagram? Let's unlock the secret to automated Instagram posts using Zapier, saving you precious time and effort. First, head over to Zapier and log in or create a new account. Click on Create Zap to start building your automation workflow. Now, choose your trigger app. This is what will kick off your Instagram post. Popular choices include Google Sheets, RSS feeds, or even a specific date and time using Zapier's schedule trigger. For this example, let's use Google Sheets. Search for and select Google Sheets. Next, choose the trigger event. This tells Zapier when to trigger the automation. Select New Spreadsheet row. Connect your Google account to Zapier. You'll need to grant Zapier access to your Google Sheets. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Now, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet that contains the data for your Instagram posts. Make sure you have columns for your caption, image URL, and any other relevant details. Next, it's time to set up the action. This is what Zapier will do. When the trigger occurs, search for and select Instagram for Business. Choose the action event. Select Create Media. This tells Zapier to post a new photo or video to your Instagram account. Connect your Instagram for Business account to Zapier. You might be prompted to log into your Facebook account, as Instagram for Business is linked to Facebook pages. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. This is where the magic happens. Map the data from your Google Sheet columns to the corresponding Instagram fields. Connect the column containing your image URL to the media URL field, and the column with your caption to the caption field. You can also include hashtags here. Almost there. Zapier will now ask you to test the integration. Run a test and check your Instagram account for the post. If everything looks good, you're ready to go. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet, Zapier will automatically create an Instagram post with the image and caption you specified. Say hello to effortless Instagram automation.